The name of our story is called The Division Champs. What is the name of our story?
Division Champs.
The Division Champs by G. Ramirez. In 2 weeks, the Midway Lions will be on the school program on Channel 48. Chase, Asa, Trisha, and Anthony were members of the team. For the past few weeks, they had practiced for a quiz. I think we should practice division with remainders next, said Asa. What are remainders, said Anthony. Trisha wrote 35 divided by 4 on the board. I'll explain by showing you a problem, she said. Let's say I want to divide 35, the dividend, by 4, the divisor. To start, I asked myself, what do I need to multiply by 4 to get an answer close to 35? Well, 4 times 9 is 36, answered Anthony. Since the dividend is 35, 9 groups of 4 are too many. But it's close, so I'll try 8. 8 is my quotient, continued Trisha. I multiply the quotient, the divisor, and get 32. When I subtract 32 from 35, I get 3. So 3 is my remainder. You are right, Asa, said Anthony. I'm rusty on division with remainders. Well, we better practice. I know a game we can play to practice, said Chase. Well, it's more like a math puzzle. Good, said Anthony. I love to solve puzzles. Okay, said Chase. Your job is to find the dividend. The dividend is the same for all of these math statements. If the divisor is 2, the remainder is 1. If the divisor is 4, the remainder is what?
1.
If the divisor is 5, the remainder is
1.
If the divisor is 3, there is no remainder. And remember, said Chase, the remainder is always less than the divisor. Let's start with what we know, said Trisha. So, the students here in the story, they have to try to figure out a math puzzle here. And you guys, you're going to work together to try to solve this math puzzle. I have 4 problems here that I've written on the board. 2 with I don't know, my dividend with the remainder of 4. Excuse me, with the remainder of 1. I have now here my divisor of 4. You're going to try to find my dividend. It's going to have a remainder of 1. Next, I have a divisor of 5. I don't know my dividend. That's what you're going to find out with the remainder of 1. And here, my divisor is 3 with no remainder. But we know something just from looking at these facts here. Does anyone know?
No.
Okay.
No, sir.
Well, no, not that. It's simply that by you, hold on, son. Okay. Hold on. What my clue is, what I'm trying to get out is, you guys, that my dividend is going to be a multiple of 3. Meaning that it's going to be a multiple of 3. Now, one more time now, Keith One, I would hate to have to put you out. Now, you know that I will. It doesn't matter. One more. So, as I was saying, here, I don't have a remainder. So I know that whatever my dividend is, it must go into my dividend equally, meaning that it's going to be a multiple of 3. What are my multiples of 3? Start us off with my multiples of 3. Purdue. 3.
6, 9, 12.
Okay, and so on. Good job. And so on. So, what we're going to do now is we're going to work together. Raise your hand if I nominated. Well, yeah, raise your hand if you were nominated as captains of your team.
Nobody was nominated. Nobody was nominated.
Nobody was nominated?
No.
Okay, so okay, I have it confused with my other 2 classes then. Well, for this table, we'll let Elvis be the captain. For this one, Whitney. For my table here, we'll let Matthew. For my table here, we'll let Makira. For this table here, I want, that's a hard decision here. Angelica. Okay, and for this table here, we'll nominate Jamisi. Okay? So, with my captains, if you would, let's look and let's see, can we find our note cards? If not, I have note cards here. If you would, everyone look into your desk. There should be a stack of note cards in someone's desk, okay? So those of you who have the note cards, would you please give them to your captain now? If you have any note cards in your desk, would you please give it to your captain now? If you have any in your desk now, would you please give it to your captain?